say ow? This ain't my hair.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It is wine and wigs day. Clink, 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 clink. There's something about holding a wine glass. I feel like I need nails. This really don't feel right. I feel like I'm holding it like a goblet. How are y'all doing today? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm doing great. I got myself a nice glass of Mott's apple juice, okay? Like a grown woman should. What y'all drinking? Today, of course, is wine and wigs day. We ain't got no wine, but we got a wig. And let me show you this wig, friend. Girl, like, come on. Now, the wear and go wigs have been taking over all summer, and I feel like it's gonna take over the fall, especially with this one on my head. Before we get into this wig, I wanna ask y'all a quick question. Could you subscribe and hit the post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post? Girl, I'm coming to you every single week with brand new wigs, girl. I feel like I'm the plug. I'm the wig plug. Also, girl, we're almost to 100K. You know, I ain't too proud to beg. I think y'all just wanna see me beg. I beg. Please. Now let's go ahead and get into this hair. I would like to say thank you to UNice Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video, because this wig shows up and shows out. This wig on my head, of course, is another wear and go wig. It is a 6 by 4.5 pre-cut lace wear and go water wave wig. You could tell it's water wave, baby, because it looks like water. This wig is an air wig, which means it has a cap where you could just stick your fingers right on through and scratch your scalp. They should call it a relief wig, because oh my God, the sigh of relief that you get. This wig is 24 inches long. When you pop the hood of this wig, you can see that this wig comes with 3 combs, no adjustable straps in the back, but it does come with a silicone band at the bottom of the wig, which allows it to kind of stick to your skin so it doesn't move and flop around like a flag. It also comes with a piano key elastic band, so you can adjust it to the size of your head so you can make sure she is secure and make sure nobody's trying to snatch that thing off. Stay strapped. This wig comes pre-customized with baby hairs for you. That is crazy. I ain't never seen that before. It looked like this wig had canine teeth, girl. The texture is gorgeous, but I wanted to see, is this wig as wear and go as they say it is? What that lace look like, okay? We're gonna try on the wig together straight out of the box, and we're gonna test, is it actually wear and go? Is it a wear and no? But if you'd like to see how I customize this wig, please keep on watching, and I'll be back at the very end with my final thoughts and a coupon code. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started with the base. You already know this is supposed to be a wear and go, simple sort of wig, so I'm gonna treat it like that. So of course we're gonna start off with the wig grip, and then we're gonna pop a wig cap on top, and then we good. The wig caps that the girls be giving out don't be the wig caps that match my skin tone. So we're gonna go in with this wig cap. This is the Q-Fit stocking wig caps. I get them from, I think, my local beauty supply store. We're gonna pop the wig on top of the wig grip. Boom. So this wig cap stays in place, y'all. I got a small head and I got a small back of the head. I'm nervous but excited. Wait, what? Oh, I see what they up to. But wait a second. And why these baby hairs so close together, babe? Now I have to tell you, as far as wear and go wigs, this lace is some of the, like, it's blending right into my skin. Like, it's a little bit light. You can tell by the sides. It's a little bit light. But up here, oh girl, it's blending right into my dermatitis. Like, come on. Now these baby hairs, girl, we're gonna have to work with these. I'm gonna have to cut these down or something and swoop them on back, because they're doing a lot. I mean, for the big baby hair girlies, girl, you are set up. Now the knots are bleached, not a lot, but they're like slightly bleached. Y'all see? The hair is very, very pretty. It's gorgeous, right? Look how pretty it is. Like, it goes down to here. It's gorgeous. Oh, girl, those curls, all we have to do with some baby hairs, add a little mousse, and that's it. So let's take this wig off and try and tint the lace first. But I'm gonna do a light lace tint. I'm not trying to do too much. I have this new product that I got from Amazon. Trying it out for the first time. I'm supposed to be doing a lace tint comparison video. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Dola hair lace tint. Now this is a lace tint mousse. Now I don't know, what's the directions? Shake the bottle well before every use. It says shake it up. I've never used a mousse lace tint before, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn the wig inside out, and I'm gonna use the brush that they provided in the gift packaging. right here, this travel brush, and we're going to go ahead and tint this lace. I'm just gonna add a little mousse, right? Oh, we said a little bit goes a long way. Oh, well. And this is the color medium brown. I wonder if, does the color start forming? Like, how does this work? Oh, I done got it on the baby hair, child. So you just squeeze the mousse on and then rub it in. Wow, this is interesting. Oh, that's interesting. Does the color like process? Like, what's happening here? Girl, I don't know, but we're gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it on high and, what the directions say, warm? So let me just dry the color. So I'm blow drying on high and warm to get the color to set in and bake. You know what I'm saying? Like a little cookie. Oh, I think it tinted the lace. That is insane. Okay, let's plop the wig back on and see what she gives. And then we can get into styling this wig because I think it's dry. Hold on. Oh, that lace tint is lace tinting. What? Baby, it's blending right in. Okay. The next thing I want to do is, the hairline's already pre-flattened, but we're just gonna do a little extra flattation on the hairline. And then we're gonna lay down some baby hairs. Now I'm gonna lay down the original baby hairs that they created for your girl, and then we're gonna add some extra baby hairs on the side because my head is really small. So girl, I think we're gonna find something. I'll leave a link for this lace tint down below. I'm gonna do a little bit of flattening using my Amazon wax stick, my She Is Bomb wax stick. I'm gonna add the wax up top and in the front, just to reinforce what I did. Girl, we are almost done. And I'm just gonna take my hot comb. This is my Red by Kiss hot comb, girl. I've been using this thing not for that long, girl. I got it from my local beauty supply store, but I think you can get it from Amazon. And I'm just gonna go ahead and re-flatten what they already flattened. Now, if your skin matches the wig right out of the box, girl, because this wig is already, it comes ready to go. Okay, now we gotta take care of these baby hairs, girl. I had to really get this hairline sticking out. Y'all know I like my hairline to stick out. I clip this hair back and we're gonna work on these baby hairs. You can see how the wig cap's like a little bit big on my head. Well, a lot of bit big. Oh no, girl, tuck these things back in, girl. Put them in their hiding place. No. Let's chop down the baby hairs. And I like mine short, okay? And I like them a little bit more like push back. So yeah, mine gonna be short. Really was giving handlebar mustache. Like they said, girl, I got you. I said, okay, girl. Just a little trim. Just some forehead eyelashes, that's all. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got To Be Glued gel tube. And I'm gonna see if I can like redirect these. Ooh, I think I can. This is a little bit higher up than usual that I'm used to. Like usually my baby hairs don't be this close together. I like them like a little bit closer to my, like right here, like a tad bit lower. Actually, I think I'm gonna brush this back if I can. Yeah, there we go. I need to brush some of them back. They was just way too close on my little head. It looked crazy. Told y'all I can't wear baby hairs like the other girls be wearing baby hairs. It don't be looking right. This into the hairline. Y'all see that? Ew. Okay, well, there's gel everywhere though. This wand be a little bit tricky. So I'm gonna take the wand and go in like right here just to get the rest of these hairs sorted out and pushed back like I like them. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, and then we're gonna get to, y'all see this floating lace right here? I'm gonna do some baby hairs right there just to make it lay down a little bit. Okay, so let's do the other side and then we'll try and figure out what we're gonna do with this floating lace situation that I got. Do you like it? You like it? I know you like it. You like it. Go ahead and say you like it. Say it.
Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me.
I think I am gonna do an extra baby hair because this floating lace is not gonna work for my tiny little head. And I just gonna cut down this baby hair pretty short. Ooh, not me, I almost poking myself in the eye. Like, I'm gonna take the Got to Be Glued gel edge tamer. Oh, y'all see? Oh, y'all see that? Oh, I like that. First, I wasn't sure if I was gonna do this because I'm not like a heavy baby hair girl, but sometimes, girl, you gotta get in there with the baby hairs. I like to use a little bit of extra Got to Be Glue gel. Now, this type is the sticky type. It's gonna lay down the lace and the baby hair, and I like to go over the lace and the baby hair just to really get it down so it don't go nowhere and float. It's giving hot air balloon. So I'm gonna lay down my natural baby hairs right here. Try and grip up as much as possible. Cause y'all know how my baby hairs be. I need to cut mine. Why are they so long? Usually I would use like an edge control, but I don't feel like it today. I'm just gonna use this. Oh girl, this is a real swoop-de-doop sorta, okay? It's giving coastline. I know that's right. We're gonna go ahead and get this side together, and then I'll be back to melt the hairline and add a little mousse to the hair.
Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and me alone. Part of me that can't see this gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been and try to pretend.
So this hair is pretty, girl. The hairline is melting, okay? So I wanna let it melt. I want that gel to seep through this lace. I don't think I have to do any cutting or trimming, girl. We just gonna go in with the mousse. I think I'm gonna take this off. This robe is in the way. We're gonna have to take Miss Girly off so we can go ahead and do this mousse. Not my bra popping out. Not the $19.99 Victoria's Secret bra, girl. When it comes to curly wigs, or wavy wigs, all them wigs that got a little bump to it, I always have to add a mousse. So the mousse that I am using today, because I'm out of my favorite mousse, I'm using the Dew Mousse Def Texture Foam. Now this mousse is really, really thick. So I added it's like 60% water and 40% mousse because it's so thick and juicy. And for this type of hair, I need something that's lighter. So I added a lot of water to it to water it down and make sure she doesn't weigh down this hair because I want this hair to be fluffy. But with this hair is really, really fine. It's not really thick at all, so it doesn't need all of that. You know what I'm saying? So clip this hair up. Gonna get this hair out the way, and we're gonna work in sections adding the mousse. And y'all already know what brush I'm gonna use to clump these curls together. Why is my head cut off? I'm gonna use the Evolve 572 brush to brush through these curls and get this hair juicy, curly, and get these curls defined. So add it to the hair. I try not to add too much, but I end up in territory, girl, where I'm just like dousing the hair. I just did it. I want to be fluffy out here. I don't want to be, you know, I'm not a wet look sort of girl. My head's too small, girl. I end up looking like a pencil, a pen. Y'all remember them pens with the erasers? I used to love those pens. There is a good amount of shedding, not too much, but this is how much it shed. Let's see if this hair will curl up. And I want to encourage it to curl. Curl, girl. Oh, come on, curls. I know that's right. Okay, so we're gonna work all the way through the hair, and then we'll reveal the hairline. Look at my ear. Baby, my ear look like it's suffering. Ciao. I'm gonna use my Dyson diffuser to dry out these curls and get them all fluffed up. Then that's it. Then I'm gonna come back with a full beat, ciao. So I'll see y'all once we're done. Girl, this is real quick. That's crazy. Ow. Ow. Why'd I say ow? This ain't my hair. I got phantom hair.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me, you isn't the answer. Me, you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? reminiscing. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you, only think about you. Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up. It could have been right to pretend now and again. We don't think about what we could have been.
This is the finished look. Baby, she came ready to go. I feel like this wig is as close to wear and go as I could get, because the lace being a similar color to my skin tone was like, it's like a never thing. Like never happens. Now it was still a little bit too light, so if I put on makeup it will be too much. Look at this hairline. Ooh, ooh. Now the wig cap, girl, I'm having trouble with this wig cap. Now, if I pull it back too far, girl, you're gonna see everything, okay? It's gonna be the whole lunchbox. You're gonna see everything. Obviously, it's glueless, so I'm about to do a little trick that I told y'all should nobody do no more. I'm gonna do it. Purr. Like, look at that. Can I flip it over a little bit? It's just the kappa is detated. The kappa is detated. Now let's go ahead and go into the claims. Since it's supposed to be a wear and go wig, usually I do pros and cons. The only con that I have about this wig is this cap. This cap is weird on me. It's like too big and too small at the same time because it's pushed back. So that's my con. Is this a wear and go wig? I would say so. I think this is wear and go. You just gotta, for me, I had to just fix the baby hairs and I could have been done. But you know me, I had to do a little extra stuff. It claims that it is an air wig, so it's breathable. Yes, it is, baby. These fingers is going through the scalp. I can get straight to the scalp. This is an upgraded wear and go wig, and I definitely think this is an upgrade because having a fool with baby hairs is annoying. So the fact that they're pre-parted does make it easier, especially for the big baby hair girls. Girl, you are set up. I think the only thing about this wig that I prefer my wear and go wigs to have the zigzag lace. This does not have the zigzag lace, and I prefer zigzag lace. I like my lace to be zigzag because it blends a little bit better with the skin instead of just being straight across. As far as your hair, it's just gorgeous. It's fluffy. It's not thick and it's really, really light. Y'all tell me what you think about this unit down below. Y'all leave y'all comments down below. Y'all let me know what you think about this wig. Let me put this hair back because at this point it was shifting. I want to say thank you again to UNice Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. I also will leave a link for this unit down below as well as a coupon code because I feel like it's rude to send y'all out the door with no goodie bag. Who does that these days? Check out all the links down below. I truly appreciate you for being here and subscribing. So I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.